Hey, have you ever dived deep into the ocean?
You mean with sharks?
And in the dark?
Today we'll use our imagination to explore how we feel in the ocean. And no, there won't be any sharks or darkness.
Yay!
Ready to explore? Wow, look how peaceful it is down here. Imagine you're a mermaid or a diver.
A mermaid?
I want to be a diver.
You can be whatever you want to be. This is our imagination, remember?
Oh, yeah.
Pretend you're underwater. You might be a diver or a mermaid. Everything moves slowly down here. How does your body feel underwater?